nakakaranas ng sa bawat limang Pilipino ang nakakaranas
sa pagkain.
ng gutom.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nemerson B. Cipriano, and today I want to talk about something very important: a right to a living wage. A living wage means that workers can earn enough money for their basic needs, like food, housing, education, healthcare, and transportation. It is not just about surviving, but about living with dignity. According to the international organization, every worker deserves fair pay for the work they do. When people receive a living wage, they can support their families, reduce poverty, and improve their quality of life. Sadly, many workers still earn wages that not enough for daily expenses. This is why we must raise awareness and support policies that promote fair salaries and worker protection. As a student and a future professional, I advocate for change by respecting workers, supporting fair businesses, and speaking up for fair compensation. Because at the end of the day, everyone deserves not just a job, but a wage that allows them to live with dignity. Again, this is Nemerson B. Cipriano. I advocate for right to a living wage. Thank you.